But from viewing those through a security lens, these are the ones that are going to expose a little bit more risk to your organization. And the way that happens is by not having the right visibility into how your users are actually leveraging AI. So, first one's which ones are they using? What are the types of prompts they're inputting in there? And then, of course, what is the risk level of those prompts, and can I actually stop them from inputting those? And so, to give you guys some examples, if you guys have a developer in house who's going to ChatGPT and saying, "Hey, ChatGPT, I got a specific problem. Here it is. Can you tell me how you would solve it?" That type of prompt may not be something that's giving you a lot of risk. You're educating your user and you're coming up with a way to solve a coding problem. But if he's like me, I do a little bit of coding on the side. Sometimes I take my whole function and I paste it straight into ChatGPT and I say, "ChatGPT, what's wrong with my code here?" And it'll say, "Well, Michael, you've got 4 issues with your code. It's here, 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 and here." But me, I just put a shared secret in there, which is essentially a password for the non-tech people here. I put in an API token, which allows ChatGPT to have visibility to my password for different APIs. I put in proprietary code, which is now being a part of ChatGPT's algorithm. So the goal here is we don't want to overexpose ourselves, and we want to leverage AI for the right type of business outcomes, but we don't want to add any more risk into the system.